Hey creators, welcome back to Learn with CC. Are you still stressing yourself trying to create click-worthy thumbnails that actually get views? What if I told you that you can create high-converting thumbnails in minutes without spending hours designing why? With the right AI tools and a few simple tricks, you can create thumbnails that grab attention with bold text, strong emotions, bright colors, and high CTR designs. No design experience needed. Just create, customize, and start getting more clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create eye-catching thumbnails without stress. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
All right. So to create this eye-catchy, click-worthy thumbnail, whether for your YouTube or your TikTok, I'm about to show you easy step how to do it. Okay. You don't need to stress yourself trying to design and all that. AI is automating everything for us. So I will be using ChatGPT. So when you come to ChatGPT, you have to click on more. Okay. And look for GPTs. All right. When you look for GPTs, it will open a lot of GPTs for you. Here you have to search for thumbnail. Okay, look for thumbnail. They have different thumbnail GPTs. Okay, look out for it. Okay, you can search it. A lot will come out, a lot will show up. All right, so there are a lot of them here. I usually use this one by AV. This one, okay, that's the one I use. They have different one you can try, but this is the one I use regularly. All right, all you need to do is to tap on it. When you tap on it, it will ask you to start chat. All right, you click on start chat and it will open. I also pinned it down my GPTs, okay, on my history, so that it will be easy for me to access whenever I want to use it. And here is asking help with creating a YouTube video. Yeah, you need help. All right, I have few prompts that I've created. You can just write your prompt. What do you want? And when you are looking at your prompt, you need to look out for color. You can see here I've just asked that I want a YouTube thumbnail with AI background. If you don't want, you can just say you want any kind of maybe simple background or AI background, whatever. Okay, you can go ahead and just so you can go ahead and just type in whatever you want. How do you want the letters to be bold? And this is the title. I made 500 with AI too. So you just input your title. I want in a white and yellow font. Put in your text. How do you want the color? The color code. If you have the code, you can input the code. But I'm here just using the color I want. Here, if you want an avatar, so avatar is either you want to include your picture in it or you don't want to include your picture. You just want the AI to generate its own picture in the thumbnail. Remember, when your thumbnail needs to be well detailed. All right, so I'll be asking it to create avatar with it. All right, if you don't want that, you can just leave it. Okay, here let me click a plus sign to impute my avatar that I use for my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I've attached my avatar. So if you have your image, any of your image that you use regularly for your content, or maybe it's for your any content but you have image, just try and attach it. Okay, attach it. It is loading. So after it's attached, you just click on generate. The AI tool will start, the GPTs, it will start to create your thumbnail. Easy peasy. This you don't need stress at all. This will just create for you using the instruction that you have given to the AI. Did you see how beautiful that looks? This is beautiful. You can see it's the exact prompt, the exact title I've given. This is using GPT 2.0 to create this thumbnail. Look at how glossy and beautiful it looks. Seriously, I know how long this will take me to go and design it on Canva when I used to use Canva to create my thumbnail. But since I discovered this, it is the most easiest and simplest way. I save time creating thumbnail. Okay, so another thumbnail I will create now is this one. Okay, I just want a simple background. Okay, premium simple design. I'll just add simple here. All right, just talk to it. You can also use microphone to talk to the GPT. All right. Okay, so just impute your text, and once you do that, like for this one that I've just generated, you can easily download it here. Okay, you can tap on it and download it to your device. Okay, very, very easy. And this is the next prompt. This is very smooth and easy to create. Okay, you can use it to generate as much thumbnails you want. Okay, thumbnails that convey, that when people see it, it attracts them to your content. All right. Stop creating dull thumbnails. Create content that will retain people, that will attract people, click worthy, and they'll be able to click on that content and start watching. All right. Remember, visual is the first thing people see that attracts them. Look at how beautiful this is. This looks very simple. Very simple. The only mistake he made is that it added my image to it, because I'm creating on that same page. Okay, but what I will do, I will open another new chat. Okay, just click on the thumbnail. I'll open a new chat. Okay, I'll open a new chat and just type it in and just click. I don't want image on it. I just want it to be a simple white background. Use your color. Okay, learn how to add your color, the kind of things you need. If you have your brand color, okay, you can always do it. A lot of people have their own brand color already. Maybe you want purple or you want something brownish, that's your brand color. You impute it. If you have your business logo you want to attach as well, you can also go ahead and attach it. This is very, very easy. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. What we do here is we bring the latest AI, how to make AI easy for you. That's what we do here. Use it to create good quality content that convert. Look at how beautiful this thumbnail look. There's no way somebody will see it. Free AI to equals to real money. People will click. Okay, this is attracting. Even just with the cash flow here, people who just look and say, oh, how do I make money with AI? Remember, your thumbnail is what people see first. All right, and this is it. Okay, so here now I'll be generating another one. I will advise you to always open a new chat for different thing. Okay, or you can maintain the same page if you just have particular color. All right, so you can see this one. I won't be adding any image. I want the GPTs to also include image to the content. All right, to the thumbnail. All right, I will just allow it to do its own thing. I won't give it a picture. So let's see the picture it will generate for us. Ooh, so look at this one. Very beautiful. Before AI and after AI. So you can see, even if you don't have your own image, you just want random images, random characters to appear on your thumbnails. This is also perfect. All right. So you can see AI is doing everything for us. As a creator, you don't need to be stressed to create your content. Allow AI to do the workflow for you. Okay. Automate most of the workflow for you. It makes life very easy for you. Seriously, since I discovered this thumbnail generator, that's what I've been using. I used to design my thumbnail myself before. It was okay using Canva, but this new way is what I'm in for, guys. Seriously. All right. And here now, I will also be using let me open a new chat. So with this one, I also attached image of my AI avatar to the prompt. All right, remember, if you want your aspect ratio to be 16:9, whatever, it's up to you to change the aspect ratio of the thumbnail, but because of YouTube, I believe in 16:9. All right, so here I want a yellow, red and yellow text, blur secret content, and this is the title, why creators are keeping secret. And okay, so let's generate and see how it is. All right, so don't just, if you want to create your thumbnail, don't go to ChatGPT new chat and just start creating. Use the GPTs that has been designed to understand the assignments. Okay, it makes things easy for you. But when you go directly to ChatGPT and just like, oh, create me thumbnail, that's lazy way of you creating thumbnail. Use the GPTs that's been designed, and the AI agent understood that that is what you want to create on that particular chat. I don't know if that is clear. Okay, just go ahead and install the GPTs. It makes things easy for you. And this is still generating, adding a final touches. This is beautiful. Relax and just create content. All right, in this place it gave me two options. All right, if you're someone you like images to be on your thumbnail, you can see how beautiful this is. All right, if you're someone you like images, you can go for two. If you're someone you don't just like too many things, okay, too many things, you go for one. All right, it's asking you which one do you prefer. Here, let's go for two, okay, because it have a lot of details that we attract people. Okay, I'm a visual person, so I like this one. All right, and what you do, remember, you see the download button here and you just download it to your device. Okay, download image, I think image 2. All right, I'll download image 2. All right, AI is changing life. AI is doing a lot of wonders. start using AI this time. Okay, if you also want to learn how to monetize your social media handles, okay, with AI content, both your Facebook, your TikTok, and your YouTube, the link will be down description of this video for you to join our AI School Academy, where we teach everything about AI faceless content that convert authentic content. Okay, how you get it right to avoid inauthentic issues on especially YouTube. Okay, also if you want to subscribe to this channel, please do so. Remember to like, share, and also subscribe once again to this channel. I will see you in my next tutorial.